Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy crypto with Western Union. Buying Bitcoin with Western Union is a bit more complex than traditional payment methods, but it is still possible. First, you need to find a reputable exchange that accepts Western Union as a payment method. Some popular options include Local Bitcoins, Paxful, and Bitquick. These exchanges connect buyers and sellers directly, allowing you to purchase Bitcoin with Western Union. Once you have chosen an exchange, create an account and verify your identity. This is a standard procedure to prevent fraud and ensure the security of your transactions. Next, find a seller who accepts Western Union as a payment method. You can do this by searching for sellers on the exchange or by posting an ad yourself. Make sure to check the seller's reputation and reviews before making a purchase. When you have found a seller, initiate a trade and follow the instructions provided by the exchange. You will need to send the payment to the seller via Western Union and provide proof of payment to the exchange. The seller will then release the Bitcoin to your wallet once they have confirmed receipt of the payment. Be sure to use a secure wallet to store your Bitcoin and never share your wallet address or private key with anyone. It is also important to note that buying Bitcoin with Western Union can be more expensive than traditional payment methods due to the fees associated with Western Union transactions. Additionally, there is a higher risk of fraud when using Western Union, so make sure to take necessary precautions to protect yourself. In conclusion, buying crypto with Western Union requires some extra steps and precautions, but it can be a viable option for those who do not have access to traditional payment methods. Always prioritize security and use reputable exchanges to minimize the risk of fraud.